Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Maxi Cosi Raia 360 LX. So it's made up of two parts, the base, and then it also has the actual seat. Okay, so let's do the base first, okay? So this is your vehicle car seat, and the base comes like this, and it comes with this strap. Now, normally with this strap, they will always attach this. I'll separate this now. This is the anchor point. Very unlikely would you need to install this in your vehicle. Your car would have to be like, I don't know, 30 years old or something. Seriously, you may not need this because this, at the back of your vehicle car seat, the equivalent anchor point might already be installed. So it might actually be here, it might be here, and it might be down here. For some wagons or some kind of ute or something, it might be further back, okay? Now, in this seat, it's not here, but it always runs around, it's kind of in line with the headrest. In this case here, my anchor point is located down here, okay? This is just for example. Most cars are in the middle. Some stupid cars are at the very top. They're really hard to use. Anyway, let's get to the point here. So, this is what we're gonna do. So, now, before we do anything, you can see this is a seat. It's kind of a leatherette seat. Can you see the indent that is placed on here? So I removed this just for the sake of the demo for you. It's left the indent. What I recommend is you always buy yourself a car seat protector. I mean, they're from $40 onwards, but seriously, you're going to use it for all the way to 7 years old. Use it. Get a car seat protector. That will minimize that indent. Now, let's talk about this. So we're going to do this. Oh, actually, before I even go further, this is quite heavy, along with the seat. It's so heavy, you won't have ISOFIX. So that's what this is going to be a seatbelt installation, not an ISOFIX. ISOFIX won't be allowing this unless they modify it for the weight to be lower. Okay, so this is seatbelt installation. So here we go. So this is what we're going to do first. So here's the base. Assuming that you have the seat protector, it just sits like that there. It actually sits really nicely. The angle's beautifully done. Now with this point, we're going to go behind the headrest. And then we're going to connect this to the anchor point. So I'm just going to connect it. Just give me 1 second. Oh. So that's it. Let's leave it loose for now. Don't tighten it yet, okay? Remember, don't tighten it. We'll do that at the end. Now, this part here, let's do this. So I'm going to flick this little button here. Flick, and just twist this out of the way at the moment. So that's out of the way. Now, come look at this one here. So this one says Smart Lock. So there's instructions on it, but most of you probably wouldn't read the instructions. So press that and lift it out. So that's what we do first. Now here's the seatbelt. The seatbelt, we're going to follow the path. So it has to go underneath or kind of through the base, and then I'm going to feed it and click it in. So at the moment it's clicked in. Minimize the twist. Sorry, don't do any twist, okay? Try not to have any twist at all, because that would work better. So we'll have it like that. Remove any slack. Don't do too tight, just remove any slack. And you see how this is. So what we're going to do, I'm going to close this, and then that should tighten and tension it. So I'm just going to do that. Give it a bit of a push. And that's it. It's locked. It went from red to green. So this was red before, now it's green. And if you kind of lift it a bit, it's nice and tight. The next thing we're going to do, let me flick this, oops, sorry, I'm going to flick this to over this side so you can see. Oh, just note, so there's a little thing here. You see how this one has a little red lock here? And then this side is green. So this is what we're going to do. So here's the car seat. I need to slide, where is it? This part here, perfectly into here. So I'm just going to slide. Oops. That's it. It's actually in. So it's locked already. And to test that, all I'm going to do is just slide it. It locks in. It locks in. There's one thing we forgot. Remember I said don't tighten the tether strap yet? The reason is because we don't know how far the base is going to push down. So now, let's get rid of the, any loose tension left. And we are just going to tighten the tether strap at the back, the top tether. So that's nice and tight. And that's it. It's all done. So this is the Maxi Cosi Raia 360 LX, all installed. It could be a bit harder in a car because I'm doing this in a perfect angle with this. So don't be too concerned if it takes you double the amount of time, because some cars are much harder than others. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video.